Here is a system of inequalities. Is 3, -5 a solution?
No, it isn't because the point is not in the area where the two regions intersect.
Now let's prove it. Substitute 3, -5 in both inequalities. When 3, -5 is substituted into x is less than y, the inequality is 3 is less than -5, which is false. When the point is plugged into y is greater than or equal to -2x minus 6, the inequality becomes -5 is greater than or equal to -12, which is true. Both inequalities must be true, so this is not a solution. Try another. Is 0, 5 a solution of the system? Let's prove that 0, 5 is a solution. When 0, 5 is plugged into x is less than y, the result is 0 is less than 5, which is true. When the ordered pair is plugged into y is greater than or equal to -2x minus 6, the result is 5 is greater than or equal to -6, which is also true. Since it works in both inequalities, 0, 5 is a solution.